Want to turn your living room into a home theater with amazing sound and no messy wires? The Roku Wireless Soundbar promises just that. But does it really live up to the hype? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about this soundbar, from its key features to whether it's worth your money. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, we're talking about the Roku Wireless Soundbar, a compact soundbar that's been making waves for its simplicity and performance. If you're tired of your TV's weak speakers, or just want a more immersive audio experience for movies, shows, or even music, this video is for you. I'll walk you through its strengths, what to expect, and whether it's the right fit for your setup. Let's start with the highlights. The Roku Wireless Soundbar is designed to work seamlessly with the Roku Stream Bar, but don't worry, it's also compatible with other TVs. It's wireless, which makes setup a breeze. No tangled cables. Plus, it delivers clear, powerful sound that's perfect for boosting your TV's audio. And the design? Sleek and compact, so it blends right into your space without being an eyesore. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the sound. The Roku Wireless Soundbar delivers high-quality audio with solid bass and clear dialogue, a must for movie and TV show lovers. It's not the most powerful soundbar out there, but for the price, it's impressive. If you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade to your TV's audio, this could be a great choice. Another thing I love is how easy it is to use. Setting it up is a no-brainer. Just connect it to your TV and you're good to go. It also comes with a simple remote that lets you adjust the volume, switch inputs, and even control your Roku Stream Bar if you have one. And for added convenience, it has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can stream music directly from your phone. Now, the big question: is the Roku Wireless Soundbar worth it? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use soundbar that significantly improves your TV's audio, it's a fantastic option. But if you're an audiophile looking for booming surround sound, you might want to consider something more advanced. For most people, though, this soundbar offers a lot of value for the price. So what do you think of the Roku Wireless Soundbar? If you're after a simple, effective, and budget-friendly upgrade, it might be the perfect choice for you. Of course, always consider your needs before buying any product. If you're interested, I've left the link to the product in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.